Question 15 in our according, question 17 in October, November 22, variant 2. Find f of -3. It means to replace every x with -3. f of -3 equals -3 to the power 2 equals 9. Find the g power -1 of x. To find g power -1 of x, y equal x plus 5 over 2. We have to replace every x with y and vice versa. X equal y plus 5 over 2. ال 2 هتروح الناحية التانية بالتايمز y plus 5 equals 2x. ال 5 بديفرنت sign y equal 2x minus 5. Then g power -1 of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Question C. Solve g f of x equal h -1 of 63. طبعا دي special case. h -1 equal 63. دي special case. It means ان الانسر 63. طيب عايز اجيب g f of x. g f of x. It means to write g of x and replace every x in the function g by f. g of x equal x plus 5 over 2. g of x equal x plus 5 over 2. Now we have to replace every x by the function f. The function f is equal to x squared. X squared plus 5 over 2 equals 63. ال 2 هتروح بالتايمز. x squared plus 5 equals 126. ال 5 هتروح بالماينس. x squared equals 121. x equals square root 121. It means positive or negative 11. x greater than 0 يبقى negative 11 refused, then the answer is 11. Thank you.